What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable message delivered tick marks on Messenger. Although Messenger's delivery ticks are a handy way to see if your message has been received, there are times you might want to keep your interactions more private. First up, let's tackle the appearance of being active or offline, as this indirectly relates to message delivery perceptions. Open the Messenger app and tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access your settings, symbolized by the gear icon. Within Settings, find Active Status and toggle it off. Though this won't directly affect delivery tick marks, it does make you appear offline, offering a layer of privacy. For a more targeted approach, especially if you want to prevent specific people from seeing delivery confirmations, the Restrict option is your go-to. To restrict a conversation, swipe left on it, tap on the More option, and select Restrict. This effectively stops new messages from that conversation from showing delivery tick marks, moving the chat into a restricted area where interactions are more private. Another strategy involves tweaking your notification settings. To turn off notifications, dive into your device's settings, navigate to Notifications, find Messenger, and toggle off Allow Notifications. By turning off Messenger notifications entirely, you prevent the app from pushing delivery notifications. This means senders won't know if their message has been delivered to your device. However, be aware that this also means that you won't receive real-time notifications for new messages. Lastly, limiting Messenger's background data can curb its capability to send delivery notifications when you're not actively using the app. In your device's settings, use the search bar to find Background App Refresh and turn it off for Messenger. This action restricts the app function in the background, potentially affecting the immediate delivery status notifications. Remember, while these methods can enhance your privacy, they also alter how you interact with and receive information from Messenger. Be sure to weigh the benefits against any potential communication delays. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.